Hey everyone, it's Lizzie from Lizzie's World of Gems. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have a sneak peek from Captured by Radiance. Yes, if my voice sounds horrible, I do apologize. I am under the weather and I tried to hold off to film this video thinking my voice would be better, but it hasn't. And I have been coughing, so I might pause the video a few times so I could cough. I just had a Halls thinking it would help, but no, it hasn't helped. Just kind of want to get this open, but I'm having a hard time here with my scissors. My scissors doesn't like it. My scissors don't want to cut this at all. Oh, I might have to try to peel off the sticker. So this is the box it comes in. It comes in this premium diamond painting box. These are their colors. This is what their box looks like. And on this side it says, "Your masterpiece awaits," because that is their slogan. There. Over here is all the steps to how to diamond paint, and then you have your choking warning there. And over here it has the steps again on how to diamond paint. I'm not sure why I put it twice. Oh, I don't want to show you the picture yet. It comes in this beautiful green organza bag, and it says Captured by Radiance. I do apologize. I keep on coughing. This is horrible. So it comes in this beautiful organza bag. They're all branded with Captured by Radiance. They're really nice. And you could always reuse these if you're traveling somewhere or something like that. You could always reuse those. And here are some of the colors. And look at, what do you think this is? Look at all that purple. I feel like there's another one. Look at all those colors. All this purple. My toolkit is stuck in here. Doesn't want to come out. And I don't know where the sheet is. So we're going to look at the toolkit first. It comes also in a nice organza bag that it does say Captured by Radiance on it. And then you get a pair of tweezers. You get a clear pen. You get a tray, putties of wax, and I'm pretty sure you get 3 of them in there. Just remember to peel back the plastic before you jab, or else you're going to be jabbing forever and you're going to be wondering, why ain't I getting anything? You get a 4-placer and a 7-placer with it, and you always get a beautiful stone cover minder. And oh my gosh, I think I got an elephant. And this is the name of it, of the stone. And I got an elephant. Look at that elephant, isn't it so cute? So I'm gonna get my Captured by Radiance collection. And I'm gonna put my elephant right there. Isn't he just so cute? I think he's the same as this one right here. I'm gonna have to get my other one to start collecting more. And you get this beautiful washi tape, and oh look, it's got hearts for Valentine's Day. Ain't that cute? I'm gonna use that on my painting right now, so I'm gonna put it off to the side as well. And what do you know about them apples? So here are the drills. And I don't see the sheet. Because the sheet is right here. So this is what I have. Ooh. It's called Division of Dreams. Licensed by Rose Prophet Creations. It's the 60 by 87 centimeter. And it's a purple girl. And you know what? She kind of reminds me of Emerald Ocean, but instead of green, this one's purple. I don't know. They probably aren't connected, but to me they kind of are, because one's all green and this one is all purple. And she's got the cutest little gems on her. You could really bling that up. You could really bling this one up if you wanted to. There's only 46 colors in this one. There is 2 ABs, and then there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 unicorn poops. What are unicorn poops, you may ask yourselves? Well, they're dustrals. And Captured by Radiance calls them unicorn poops. So here it is. Oh, this is still... So you could use this for your inventory, like your logbook, and the stickers peel off, and there's extra stickers over here. Really, really nice. So cute. I really, really like this one. You know me, I am a sucker for girls with big eyes. I am. Probably half my stash is girls with big eyes. I'm not gonna lie. They're half of the ones I've done too. And we're gonna put it up here. It is so big it doesn't fit all on my desk. Look at it. So the top, it says Captured by Radiance, your masterpiece awaits, and then it has Division of Dreams, licensed by Rose Prophet, 60 by 78 centimeters. And I have a measuring tape here, so let's measure across and see. I've never really measured one of these, I don't think. So 60 on the dot. And I'm sure the other way is right as well. So it is true to size. Look at these flowers in her hair. I love it. Love it, guys. I love it. I think that this one and Emerald Ocean kind of go hand in hand. That's just me. I don't know for sure because I've never asked the artist if that is what, but I think they go hand in hand. Now, there's some wrinkles on here, but you just have to lift the plastic and they'll settle. But I don't really want to lift it up too much on my desk. And then she's got this beautiful necklace on that has a rose on it. Lots of this color. What is that one? 939s. There is a lot of 939s in this. And a lot of purples. And a lot of whites. It's just so gorgeous. So up here you have a legend, and it's the opposite way. And that is if you're like me and you start from the bottom and you work on the bottom. I'll show you right now. So I usually start down here. So this legend is facing you right here. And then when I get to about halfway point, I flip my canvas around. Oops, I just hit two guys. I do apologize. I flip my canvas around. I know, it's hard on this desk to do all this fun stuff. And then I work this way. And then when I work this way up here at the top. So then the legend will be on this side. And that's usually how I roll. I really like the reverse legend, but I'm one that follows the stickers on my container, so I don't really go by the legend. The only time I ever reference the legend is if I can't figure out a symbol. Is when I reference any legend. That was not cool. That was not cool, Liz. So on the bottom it says your masterpiece awaits. It has their social medias down here at the bottom. Then it has O-Stamp insurance and 100% satisfaction guaranteed. They do aim to please. Now, this goes up on the website for Facebook members today. Thursday, it goes out to the public. If you want this painting, do remember there is a note on the website that shipping will resume on March 1st. So right now, the owners of Captured by Radiance are on a well-deserved holiday and they're on vacation and they won't be back till March 1st. So after March 1st, shipping will resume. So if you want this painting before, you know, it runs out of stock, I suggest you buy it and wait. If you're like me and you have lots in your stash, you can afford to wait till March 1st to get it in the mail. I'm not too picky. It's not because it's coming. It's not because it's drop shipped. It's just because they are on vacation right now and there's nobody in the office to fill the orders because they are a 2-girl crew. So, with that said, if you want this early, go check out their Facebook page. I always have it linked down below. Remember to answer all the questions before you enter the Facebook page, or else you won't get accepted. So do remember to answer those 3 questions. If you have gone on before and you're like, oh, I went on, but nobody's let me in, it's probably because you never answer the questions. So please remember to answer the questions. There's always good codes and fun stuff there. If you want to use my code, you are more than welcome to. It is Lizzie22 for 15% off. My code is always available for you if you want to use it at any time of the day, year, month, whatever you like. I am an affiliate with Captured by Radiance. I do love their products. I do a lot of their paintings. So if you haven't watched my channel, I suggest you subscribe and hit that button. And I do work on a lot of their stuff. So if you want to see a lot of stuff completed, just come on this crazy journey with me right now. I am doing one as we speak. With that said, I hope you guys, oh yeah, I wanted to show you guys the specials. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna cough, so I'll be right back. I'm sorry guys, I'm a hot mess today. I don't mean to be. So this purple is a lot throughout her hair, this one as well, and this one. So you got kind of a mixture of these colors throughout her hair. I see some of this a little bit here on her eye, probably over here as well. This white is the eyeballs, and throughout the hair as well. This color is through her earrings, which is super cute. The pinks, these 2 pinks are throughout these flowers up here at the top. These pink flowers. So yeah, it's evenly spread throughout. It's gonna look good. So those are the colors, and you always find them at the end of the bag, which is really easy because all your frills always come in order. And they're always at the back, at the bottom, at the end of bag 2. But look at this color palette. All these purples and dark blues. It's going to look super, super pretty. But with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care, everyone. Bye. Hey guys, it's me again. If you like what you've seen, please like and subscribe to this video, and hit that notification bell, and it'll remind you whenever I load up a video. I'd be super tickled pink. Till next time, guys, take care. Bye.